Welcome to Timeostat. This video will guide installers through the process of connecting the Timeostat to Wi-Fi. Before you start, you will need the installer setup code and the house Wi-Fi network password. This installer setup code is generated by the landlord from their Timeostat account. They first need to create the new property and then generate the installer setup code. Now, let's get started. First, download the installer app from either the Apple or Google App Stores. When downloaded, open the app and create a new account. You will be asked to enter the installer code given to you by the landlord. You can then create your account. Just fill in your name and think of a username and password. After clicking Register, log in with your new username and password. You will then be taken to the Properties screen where the property linked to the installer code will be displayed. Hold the large button on the device for around 5 seconds until the Bluetooth light appears. You can then click Configure the device, which will search for the Timeostat by Bluetooth. Select the available device and you will be asked to enter the device PIN code. The default PIN code is 4 zeros. It is recommended you change this code after installation and give the new code to the landlord. You will then be shown a list of available networks. Select the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the network password. The thermostat has now been successfully connected to the Wi-Fi and will appear as online in the landlord's account. The landlord can now manage the property's heating and change the settings remotely. If you wish to change some of the settings, simply click on the property to be taken to the settings screen. For example, here we have activated the auto program to turn the heating on at 6:30 in the morning for an hour and at 5:30 in the evening for an hour. By clicking the plus button from your installer properties screen, you can connect further properties using their installer codes. These connection steps are also detailed on the installer card and in the instruction manual. We hope you have found this video helpful.